Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to give access of your Google Drive folder or file, or how we can give some how we can give access permission to someone of Google Drive file or folder. So guys, I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using phone or iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. Sorry, computer screen. So here I'm on my Android Google Drive, guys, and so, when you share something like when you share folder or file to someone and on mail or any other uh, via links that so sometimes the person get the error or the Google asking to access permission to view particular file and folder. But so how we can give access easily access so we'll learn on this video. So here I have folder, you can see I have folder and file. So when you're trying to share something to someone, so what you need to do, just click on it and go to, if you're sharing this file on mail, and click on this and okay, and you need to enter the person email id to whom you want to share, and here you need to change the permission like editor, comment, or viewer. If you make editor, that people can add, edit, or delete your file. So I suggest you make viewers only. Okay, now you can share it. So with this email id, person can view this file. Okay, so sometime what happen, the person log in more than one email in this device, mobile or computer, and when you click there to open the share file, so sometimes it's email id switch, because there are too many email id login with their device phone. So it is happen in device only when you're trying to open any link. So it will be open in new tab, and your email id automatically switch. For that you need to switch your email id. Okay, so ask to person that access this file with same email id. Okay, so when you share this file like this, okay, if I send it, so the this person will got this file in this folder. Okay, so you can ask the person, go and check in share with me, and here he can find this folder. Okay, if you are using phone, then he will get this option on Google Drive app also. Okay, so now the main option, which link. So when you share the link, okay, when you click on share the this folder or file to link, so this problem normally occur, that person get the access permission, need the access permission. So when you during the share this file by a link, you have to do one thing, just go and get the link. Okay, so okay, one pop-up will become, okay, it will, my net is gone, I think. Let's see. Okay, when you're trying to share on link, just click and share via link, or you can click on it. So this window will be open. Now you will get the link, you just directly copy or share it, but before that you have to do one thing, that you have to change the restricted to anyone on this link. Restricted means the nobody can, in no anybody, no, only person can view the link which you add here. Okay, so I have add two-person here, so this person only can view the link with this restricted mode. But if you want to share this link, and if you want to view this file easily, then you have to change the permission with anyone of this link, and then you have to you change the permission with viewer only. Just copy the link and you can share with the person. So for this link, Google will not ask the access permission, so it will be easily open. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.